Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary. Today we're going to do another C7 Corvette tutorial, and it's how to remove and replace the top on your C7 Corvette. It's very easy to do, but there is one thing you will definitely want to pay careful attention to when it comes to putting your top back on, and I'll get back onto that in just a minute. There are three latches you will have to undo to remove the top. Two in the front, which are both located inside of the sunshade, so you just lower those and then you're going to pull back on the two latches. The one in the back is a little bit tricky and there is a release, but I suggest putting your hand under the latch itself so that it doesn't just snap down real fast. It seems like that could potentially, in the long term, be a bad thing. So let your hand kind of catch that latch when you push on that piece in the front that releases it, and let it slowly come down. Just control that with your hand. Just a simple word of advice there for the longevity of your C7's top and the latch in the rear. The next thing you're going to do is simply lift it off, and as you can see on your screen, it is a simple one-person job, and if you need, you obviously can get somebody to help you out with this, and it stows easily in the rear cargo area of the C7 Corvette. The area is made for that specifically. It fits nice and perfect back there, nice and snug. It doesn't move around or anything like that. It's not going to get any damage. Now, when it comes to putting the top back onto your C7, one thing I highly recommend, when you've relatched everything, push on the top a little bit to make sure it's securely fastened in place, because you don't want to find out the hard way that it's not when you're driving down the road, because you'll probably wind up having to buy a new one. And by the way, I don't know that from experience for those who may ask the question. I would like to thank all of you for taking the time to watch today's quick video. If you haven't lightly tapped the subscribe button, I would like to ask you to please do so, and make sure to turn on the bell notification icon so you know when I post future videos, which happens several times every week. Tell me what you would like to see me cover here on Vehicle Visionary. And finally, help me out, guys. This is what really makes the difference between the videos being seen by a lot of people or just a few people. Click that like button. That tells YouTube that people are enjoying the video while they watch it, and it needs to be in front of more people. Thank you for taking the time to watch, guys. I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.